All right, Stock Unlocked. Let's get another Bitcoin and ETH analysis in. So, quite an update from, I want to say the last one was August 26th. So, just about a month ago now. August 26th was right over here on the chart. We were talking about the the breakout potential right over here. Excuse me, my partner's over here on my right side. Anyway, so we were talking about the potential breakout here if support held, right? We pulled back to our trendline EMA, which is the 34 EMA right here, this green line. We did not hold the level, right? We're supposed to get a bullish candle here if we confirm to go to the upside. That didn't happen. We had a bearish candle instead, and price action rejected and came to the downside. We had a nice little double bottom bounce right here at our levels, guys. We had these levels posted on August 26th, right, which is way over here. So we had all of our downside levels already predicted, which was 58,400, 55,000, and then 52,400. You guys can see we hit those levels with pretty damn near precision. It was actually quite crazy. If you guys were following us on social media, you saw we longed Bitcoin at 58,400 and we longed Ethereum at 2,200, kind of catching the bottoms on both, honestly. Not catching the bottom on Bitcoin because it wasn't just safe yet, but definitely catching the bottom on ETH right there. Anyway, back to our analysis. Like we were talking in the last two videos, right? And even in the video, the first week of August, we had all these levels laid out, and we simply said the way to trade these levels is extremely easy. If one level breaks, right, it means the price action is not held in that area. If one level breaks, for example, let's just go over here. If this level breaks, right, that means we're going to go down to this level to test support. And if buyers step in and hold this level, it means we'll go back to retest now what is resistance. And then if we break above, then we go up to the level to the upside. And that's how simple price action works, right? And if the level broke here and buyers didn't step in and bears still kept the momentum, then we would just simply push down to this level below, right? And that's what we've been seeing the last couple days and weeks, right? We're just trading between all of these levels that we have, right? So I did have to redraw these levels from the last 2 weeks, but if you guys look at the levels on the side, they're probably a dollar or two off just because I had to replace the lines, and Bitcoin is, a $60,000 asset, so I might be off by a dollar, but they're all the same levels, and we can see how price action traded amongst these levels, like in the example that I just drew, right? We came all the way down to this level, and then we came to this level for 2 days, right? We can see the top for 2 days, 2 days. We tested this level, and then we broke to the upside right here, and then I'm even gonna remove our moving averages so you guys can see the picture more clearly. Price action broke to the upside. We tested this region, right, and then we broke up, and then we again tested this region here, and this level held, and we can see how when price action comes to support and holds support, it goes to the next level to try to break through that next level, and then it goes to the next level again, and we can see price action start to slow down and stay in this zone, and then we can see price action break through and trying to make its way all the way up here, but finally start to fail after all the momentum, fall back down here to this level at 61.4, and we can see that this level right now where we're kind of testing is basically this entire area that we've had on the board, right? All of this area, all of this area, all this area, and we can see price action, right? Price action right here, resistance area, resistance area. So it's a really simple game as long as you have the levels broken down and you know when to enter on the levels, right? So something that we teach you guys is, use the moving averages if you're on the more newer trading side, right? When we have candles trading above the 34 EMA, price action is bullish, right? When we have candles trading below the 34 EMA, price action is bearish, right? So in this instance, we would have actually entered Bitcoin right here, which was that long signal that I gave at 54.8. Right over here, Bitcoin was the entry. And now price action has fallen below the 34, but what you notice is the 8 EMA hasn't crossed below, right? And the candle right here did not open and close below the 34 EMA. Although today's candle has opened under the 34 EMA, and now we need to see if this candle closes like this under the 34 EMA, it could be it could be the start of the pullback all the way down. Well, not all the way down, right? It's just down to this level here below. We lose this level, we go down to this level. Now, you'll see two different lines that I added this week. It's the two gold lines. Those are my short and long entry lines. So basically, Bitcoin short under 60,400, Bitcoin long above 61,800. So long above here, short below 60,400, and then trade this level below. If we lose this level, trade this level below. If we lose this level, trade this level below, right? If we bounce, the same thing to the upside. Trade this level here, trade this level here. Oops. Trade this level here. Oh, hold on a sec. Trade this level here, trade this level here. Super, super easy, right? Again, I'll say it one more time before we go to ETH. If you lose one level, the probability of it going to the level below that is extremely likely. If you break one level, then expect price action to go and test the level above that. So let's go over ETH now. ETH. Man, we are unstoppable when it comes to trading Ethereum. Just absolutely unstoppable. We called Ethereum long at 2,200. The reason we call this, even though it didn't meet the parameters to trade the moving average, this is price action trading, and this is macro price action trading. 2,200 was a huge buy zone last run. And I have been trading in Ethereum like an absolute madman. And if there's any levels that I know, it's my ETH levels. So I was extremely confident on going long on this Ethereum. Streamed that long trade on Kick multiple times. It was a $60,000 plus trade. It's all over Kick. So check it out. But more importantly, let's go to the price action now. And this is where we again show just the I'm sorry, I gotta say it, the elitism in our in our Ethereum levels. So 2740 and 2840 is a level that I've talked about in almost every single Ethereum video that I do. And I always say short Ethereum under 2740, long Ethereum above 2840 for the macro cycle scale, right? The reason we did the 2200 long to 2740 was a different strategy that I do. And I knew those macro levels from 2200 to 2740. So we traded it up from literally 2200 right here to 20. And then we were $20 away from 2740. I just took my trade at 2700. I'm not going to fight for a few bucks. But price action, look, guys, came to the 2740 level and then rejected, and now is under the 34 EMA, which is very bearish for ETH. What we're looking for right here on ETH is to obviously stay above 2200, stay above these higher lows that we have right here, and again, the 2200 range. 2150 is the actual support level. 2200 is my buy signal, but this is a very powerful area for ETH. Below 2150 on ETH, we're going right to 1850s. Like, it's pretty simple. So watching for the big drop to 1850 here. Again, no need to panic unless we lose 2150 again. 2150 is the level to watch out on ETH. And then for the bigger picture, above 2840 right here, bullish. And then there's really no struggle until we get over here. That's only if we break above 2840. There's no struggle on ETH till about 3300 to 3400. All right. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the Discord. Peace.